These are the Sharpie things. They're sharp, so you can get that nice finish when you need to. Welcome back. Today we will check the tools I regularly use while I'm fixing hail damage car. Now this is going to be just a quick overview of the most common tools I use when I'm fixing a hail damaged car. So first thing, put the gloves on when I'm working to protect my hands. I don't want all the blisters here, I don't want my hands to get sore, and I don't want my hands to be cut when I'm working a hood or something else, or even burned by glue. They protect me from all of that. Now let's go for the roof part. I would use a carbon rod with these two tips on it. So you have the R4 cherry cap, and what this is a 380, I think it's called FMJ 380 from Dead on Dent Tools. Now this is the badass tip. You can see it's shaped in a way that it's soft, but actually when you're doing soft pushes, it's gonna push soft, but it still has an edge on it, so when you're pushing hard you can make really precise push on it. That's why this tip is my favorite tip to push hail with. I would also, my go-to are these A1 left and right tools. They're perfect for all the braces. They're almost completely flat. They probably come completely flat and they bend a bit, but they work great. This is my first tool I'm grabbing when I get to a brace. I also use all the dent craft set here, brace tool set. We have the regular one and the sharp one. The difference is in the end. This one, you can see the black part on the bottom. It's a sharp tip. What's great about this, they're marked perfectly. Dentcraft did a great job marking it. All the yellow ones are basically turning on the right side, like this. So they are on the right side, you use it in your left hand. And all the red ones are the opposite, the other side. And what you can also see is, I'm sorry, I'm trying to fit it in. What you can also see is with the black edge means sharp, this normal means soft. So you spend no time looking for the rod you need. Also because the handles are different sizes. The shorter ones is smaller, more thinner. Then the fattest one is the biggest, longest one is also the fattest one, and the handle is the fattest, and you can grab it easily. The next thing would be a whale tail. I use a few whale tails. This is a Dentcraft one, the Pinky, famous Pinky. I use this one a lot, also from Dentcraft. Then the other few I love are these A1s. They are really tiny, so you can get into that tight places. Plus they are bendable by need, so if you have some bendable, I mean you're working in different angle or something, you need to get somewhere, you can bend it, and now you can easily get in, push, and then you can just easily bend it back. These are great. They saved me a bunch of times. And another whale tail I need to mention is this Blem whale tail. As you can see, it's turned differently, and what this does is perfect for the doors. When you're under a brace, you can just slide it in, you can push like with the door tool. What else? Yes, doors. So for the doors, I'm using this mostly. It's an A1 BB tip with the cherry cap on it, and it has the Gorilla Grip tactical handle on it. This gives you so much leverage, it's not even funny. Pushing with this is great, fast and easy. Now what you need also is the dent reapers. Oh, not need, but I use them. I use the dent reapers, all 3 sizes. This is also made from A1. And these are the Sharpie things. They're sharp, so you can get that nice finish when you need to. So this is my brace section, this is my door section, and with the doors also I have a bunch of different curves, soft and sharp, to get into the braced area. There's a top brace usually on the doors to get in there. This one is also really nice. It's called the Danny Espinal tool, also from A1. The way it has like this kick, you can reach so many spots in that upper brace that it's worth having. And for the price, it's a no-brainer. What else? This one, A1 double bend. I mean, it doesn't have to be A1, but that's just the one I have. This one is great to do the closer parts of the roof. So when you're doing the further parts, use the carbon rod, any carbon rod, as long as it doesn't break. And this one, for closer, the dents that are closer to the edge, you need that double kick so you can push easily. That's what I use. Another good, very commonly used tool is this double bend and sharp at the end. It's nice, it gets in the quarter panels or in the fenders. Perfect to use. Another combination that I'm using for quarter panels and fenders are these 2 dent craft tools. They have a smaller diameter and interchangeable tips. So you can use these ones when you have smaller hole to get in. They are working really good. They do, however, flex a bit more than normal, but that's because they're thinner and they're getting you into through the more smaller holes, because like this one, it doesn't flex that much. It still flexes, don't get me wrong. Most of the tools are gonna have flex. What else do I use regularly? For pushing, I think that's it. I do have not bunch, I don't have too much tools. I do have other tools as well, like other whale tails, the Lucky 7s, that the whale tail, Lucky 7 is great. If you have a hole and you need a whale tail, this shape makes it possible to get it into a hole and then use a whale tail inside. But like I was saying, for pushing tools, I do have other tools in there. They're just different shapes, sizes, to get me out of the tight, like if the dent is really in some special location that none of these tools gets to it and it's too hard to pull, maybe the other tools will save me. But this is mainly what I'm using most of the time. That would be 95% of the times when I'm fixing a hail damaged car. I hope this was useful. There was a lot of questions about what tools I am using. So this is quick pushing tools for hail car that I'm using. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you click the like button. Make sure you subscribe. and I will see you on the next one.